Hi, I'm Kamal Gupta, CEO of Omnistrate. Most companies are either offloading their application platform to something like Heroku or wasting time and money to build everything from scratch. With Omnistrate, the former doesn't scale because as the customer need evolves, and the latter is inherently costly, time-consuming, and undifferentiated. Omnistrate is a developer framework that helps build your own software platform in days that scales with your customer needs for your different customer segments and distribution channels, whether it's SaaS, whether it is BYOC, whether it's on-prem, or even distribute agents as a service. You can think of us as a co-pilot for platform teams as plug-and-play configuration modules from tenancy to deployments, infrastructure, packaging, operations, billing. You can bring your own module or build on top of our existing module. You can then use these modules to build your platform that can serve any distribution channel to meet your customer needs. Check out omnistrate.cloud for more details.